Agritechnica, we are presenting an innovation with our pneumatic spreader AERO. Specifically, it's an individual nozzle control and dosing system. We have the individual nozzles here, and we'll show you those in more detail in a moment. And we can control them individually. How do we do that? Take a look around here. If you look at the side here, it works like this. The injectors are down here. That's where the air comes out from inside, from the blower. And then it flows, or rather streams, into the boom. And here, via these cam wheels that rotate, the fertilizer is metered into the airstream. And now we have a split dosing roller, so we can drive each segment individually, which means that each segment has its own speed, determining the amount, and we can also switch them on and off. So for section control, for example, depending on the working width, for example, in 1.20 meter steps, we can adjust the sections. So the spreader has, for example, 20 sections or 24, depending on the working width. The larger ones have 24 sections, 20 and 18 are for the 21 meter model, and then each section can be switched on and off. And it gets even better. Not only can we switch each nozzle individually, but we can also adjust the quantity. So for example, when you are spreading using an application map, I can spread a different amount for every 20 meters, and this allows me to apply application maps with a fine grid, for example 5 by 5 meters or something like that, with super precise accuracy, and that's the level of precision in fertilization that we need. All right, I'll unfold it now and then we'll take a closer look. So we're now spreading on our test field. We've set up a field boundary here so you can see how it automatically shuts off in automatic mode. And as I approach here, you can see that it shuts off the individual sections from the outside in, step by step, so that it spreads perfectly along this field boundary in 1.20 meter steps. So you can see with the multirate and the individual nozzle control, we've really taken another step forward in precision. This is truly a great machine that allows you to spread with pinpoint accuracy on partial areas and handle uneven fields exceptionally well. And the great thing is, the machine is also very easy to operate. I don't need a spreading chart, I just fill in the fertilizer and that's it. I enter how many kilograms per hectare I want to spread, and then I just get going. And it does it precisely because the accuracy is built in. That's what makes fertilizing fun.